do some end of day footprint analysis here. Just want to point out here, look down here where my cursor is. You get this little volume node. It tapers, and then what happens is it pushes up, and then when you get right at the end of the bar, when you get a bunch of contracts, like it's not really tapering that much. It's not, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, up to 20 contracts tapering. We typically will run that area on stops. I mean, we're not talking 1,000 contracts where the market just hit a wall. It hit some natural resistance based on the structure. So what ends up happening here is price will push back down, we'll shake some longs out, right? And here you see a little bit larger volume node, and then it tapers quickly, right? So the market quickly recognizes there's still buyers, but it's across several levels, and so the taper occurs more quickly. Here you get a bunch of negative deltas, so it's being absorbed, and then you get a little volume node, and then boom, another push up into resistance, and then again you get 144 contracts at this level here, at the 1350 level where my mouse cursor is, and you run into a little bit of natural resistance. We pull back, not a lot of selling interest in through this level, and now this is the third time that people are seeing this. It's becoming obvious to everyone that, hey, there are buyers here. So we go ahead, we push up past this resistance, a little low volume node here the next time, relative to this whole bar. It's a low volume node. As you can see, the volume just tapers right in through here. So the algos are working hard to push it up and find the liquidity. Once they find the liquidity above, once they found it, look at all this absorption, right? 5,000-6,000 contracts up into a nice little taper. Boom, a bunch of profit taking here, and then we have a little bit more of a distributed node. So once again, the buying's apparent, and we come up, a little bit of risk off here, right? And then the algos are moving the book. Hence, you got all these negative deltas here, 93, 49, 32. So it's moving up while there's absorption occurring. And that's where you have right now. You have another volume node here, quick taper. Now you have a push up from that. Not a whole lot of buying interest in this level. So again, we have a neutral day going on. And this is indicative of price action where the algos are just quickly taking profit, every 4 to 8 ticks, right? And we've got 4 minutes left until the close. So, JP Morgan come in and say, hey, I want to sell this market 15 or 20 points, whatever they want to do. But that's just some short-term, I guess, analysis of the way we see rotations, just based very simply off of volume nodes and some, absorptive or negative deltas. So anyway, hopefully that's useful, and I'm trying to make this kind of, real quick and concise here at the end of the day. And like I said before, I will do more of a comprehensive footprint video where I sort of define every column and go into the reasons why negative deltas are can be indicative of price action that's bullish or bearish depending on the context. And I'll try to go into the context a little bit, but I'll try to define as the chart as I have set it up, so that maybe it can give people a little bit of a different perspective than what they're used to. This is sort of the diagonal footprint chart that I think a lot of people are used to seeing here. And my chart, for reasons, I sort of, I guess, summarize the data a little bit more. And for me, it's less calculating that I have to do. But anyway, I'll get into that in another video. So anyway, happy close. We've got another 2 minutes here. I may look too fade and extreme if we get a push in either direction, since it's a pretty neutral day. So anyway, have a good one.